Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study for mock test Neet step by step. Start by analyzing the mock test pattern and timing so you know where to focus. Break the syllabus into high-yield topics and plan short, focused study blocks. Use active recall and spaced repetition during review sessions. Practice full-timed mocks weekly and analyze mistakes to improve strategy and accuracy for the real exam. Create a daily plan that balances revision, practice, and rest so you stay consistent. Start with a warm-up of quick concept review, then move to a timed question set to build exam stamina. After practice, spend time analyzing errors and noting recurring gaps in your understanding. Finish with a brief summary of what to revise next day to keep momentum without burning out. Approach each mock as a training session to refine timing and decision-making. Start by attempting easier questions to secure marks, then tackle difficult problems with remaining time. Use answer review to separate careless errors from knowledge gaps and adjust your study plan accordingly. Track progress across mocks to spot trends and practice weak areas with targeted questions until performance stabilizes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.